Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and we are in the last week of February, and my Galaxy S25 Ultra here that I have been talking about for so long not having its update yet has finally gotten the update for the February security patch. So I actually got this yesterday, but I wanted to give it a little bit of a test and use it, stuff like that before I made a video on it. And there's really not too much to report in terms of like new features or anything. There's some improvements and bug fixes. I think a few camera improvements, stuff like that. But this was also my first time using these seamless updates on the Galaxy S25 series. So this is where the phone downloads and installs the update in the background while the phone is still running, rather than on previous devices, your phone would download the update and then you would have to restart. And during that restart process, your phone would install the update and then start back up. That's not the case now with this new way of doing it with the seamless updates. It downloads, installs, verifies the update, and then you restart, and it just does a normal restart. And once the phone boots back up, it is ready to go, and you're on the new update. So you can still use your phone while it's updating, and the reboot period is just like a regular reboot. If I were to like power off my phone right now and turn it back on, it doesn't take any extra time. So it's a lot faster and less downtime for your phone if you need to use it. So that's pretty cool. Battery life has been about the same. I really haven't noticed any difference in battery life or performance or anything of the such. So one thing everybody's been asking is, do we get the battery information? And unfortunately, we do not. If we go to About Battery, there's nothing in here. There's nothing extra. The battery information screen is the exact same. So unfortunately, we do not get any kind of additional information like they have in the UK with their charge cycles and battery health and date of first use and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully we do get that in a future update here in the US and other countries, but as of right now, we don't have it. So that kind of sucks, but everything else on the update's been pretty good. Been running pretty smooth, no issues or anything like that I can note. There were some issues and bugs updating where the update wouldn't download and it would tell me to use my PC or contact customer support. I fixed that just by swiping up on settings and closing it and then reopening it like so. And I was able to download and install the update without any more issues. So if you're having issues updating, give that a try. Maybe restart your phone, stuff like that usually fixes it. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.